Hello students, good afternoon to everyone. Myself Mrs. Priya Lad from Shet Vidya Mandir English High School, Maharashtra Board, Vasai East. Today we are going to learn Standard 9th entire Sanskrit learning part Sugam Sanskritam. Here we see the three sections included in Sugam Sanskritam, that is Sankhyaha, Chitrapadakoshaha and Samayaha. Let us we start the second section, Chitrapadakoshaha, means collection of various pictures. According to our syllabus, in Chitrapadakoshaha, we learn the name of Upayukta Vastuni, means household appliances, then Vrittayaha, the various types of business, and Kriyaha means the verb or action words. When we start to by heart these all pictures, then it will be divided into the two semesters. So, here I start to read it. Listen carefully and by heart all pictures name in Sanskrit. First one is Upayukta Vastuni. Door, Dwaram, Dwaram, Rangoli, Rangavalli, Rangavalli. Doormat, Padakatah, Padakatah, Hall, Pradhanakakshah, Pradhanakakshah, Curtain, Javanika, Javanika, Bed, Paryankah, Paryankah, Mattress, Talpah, Talpah, Pillow, Upadhanam, Upadhanam, blanket, Achhadakam, Achhadakam, iron, Samikarah, Samikarah, washing machine, Shalanayantram, Shalanayantram, flower pot, Pushpadhani, Pushpadhani, kitchen, Pakashala, Pakashala, dining table, Bhojanapitham, Bhojanapitham, gas stove, Vayuchullihi, Vayuchullihi, vessel, Patram, Patram, spoon, Darvi, Darvi, mixture grinder, Mishrakah, Mishrakah, plate, Sthalika, Sthalika, bowl, Katahah, Katahah. Then second one is Vrittayah, means business, dentist, Dantavaidyah, Dantavaidyah, nurse, Paricharika, Paricharika, pilot, Vaimanikah, Vaimanikah, astronaut, Antaralaviraha, Antaralaviraha, scientist, Vaidyanikah, Vaidyanikah, policeman, Arakshakah, Arakshakah, carpenter, Takshakah, Takshakah, potter, Kumbhakarah, Kumbhakarah, kuli, Bharavahah, Bharavahah, fisherman, Dhivarah, Dhivarah, shopkeeper, Apanikah, Apanikah, weaver, Tantuvayah, Tantuvayah, engineer, Abhiyanta, Abhiyanta, postman, Patravahakah, Patravahakah, lady driver, Yanachalika, Yanachalika, gardener, Malakarah, Malakarah, plasterer, लेपकारः लेपकारः टीचर शिक्षकः शिक्षकः शेफ पाचकः पाचकः and tailor सौचिकः सौचिकः. And now we learn the third one. The last is kriyaha, means verb or action words. To yarn, jrumbhate jrumbhate. To cough, kasate kasate. To smell, jigrati jigrati. To hear, shrunoti shrunoti. To pluck, krushati krushati. To pull out, nishkasayati nishkasayati. To churn, mathati mathati or mathnati mathnati. To break, bhinnati bhinnati. To wash, prakshalayati prakshalayati. To twist, nishpidayati nishpidayati. To fold, puti karoti puti karoti. To sieve, sivyati sivyati. To act, abhinayati abhinayati. To draw, alikhati alikhati. To show, darshayati darshayati. To dig, khanati khanati. To crawl, avasarpati avasarpati. To jump, utplavate utplavate. To cross, langhate langhate. And to type means tankayati tankayati. Copy down Sanskrit words with their meanings. Okay, so students, in this way we learn total 60 words which are included in our Chitrapada Koshaha. By heart these all words and write in your notebook. Now we see the Bhasha Abhyasaha. Only one question asked in our exam paper, that is Chitram Drushtva Namani Likhata. See the picture and write their names in Sanskrit. This question asks for 4 marks. I hope you all are study very well about the Chitrapada Koshaha and you will get the 4 marks easily. So we see the questions one by one. Copy down these all questions in your notebook and write their answer perfectly. So students, by heart all the name of the pictures in Sanskrit with correct pronunciation and revise this topic very well. Thank you.